Hi, I'm Naomi and welcome to our Fitzgibbon Crescent project. The client brief for this space was to open up the kitchen, create a lot more storage for the client and achieve a light and bright aesthetic. We managed to do this by removing the angled wall of the existing pantry to create a more functional space for food storage. Removing the pantry has also allowed us to include an island bench in the space, giving the kitchen 2 new entry points and creating a better flow overall. To connect the newly renovated space with the rest of the existing home, we've removed the wall opposite to the kitchen to create an open plan living area. As you can see, we have heightened the overheads by removing the existing bulkhead and also managed to sneak in some joinery to the front of the island bench. It's been really rewarding to watch this space transform from a dull and heavy interior to the light and bright kitchen space that it is today.